You know, I think our community here has come to expect a certain kind of political representative, right? We want somebody who doesn't just kind of show up at the legislature. We want leadership in this community that's engaged in community struggles, that's fighting with tenants, with residents, on every campaign that's going on. We want representation that makes its mark, not only in our community, but in the province as a whole. Isn't that what we come to expect here? And we certainly have that with Sherry DeNovo, and I'm here to say with 100% confidence and pure joy that we will have that with Priscilla Carpenter. So we know Priscilla as someone who has been really engaged in community struggles. She's been front and center with residents right across the riding. She was part of our Parkdale team. We've heard her speak. She's a wonderful speaker, full of confidence, knows the issues. But I think in addition to leadership and knowing the issues, we expect a representative with heart, with passion. And I know that Priscilla has that. I'll just tell you one quick story. The first time I was elected, back in 2006, Priscilla was part of our Parkdale Organizing Committee. And Julius Deutsch, for those of you who remember him, the day after the day after the election, he sent us back down to Parkdale. I think Winnie was with us there too. And our instructions were to thank Parkdalians for having supported us in that election. And Priscilla was with us. I'll never forget. I was kind of a little intimidated because I thought, well, not everybody voted for me. Priscilla had one of my election signs, this great big, one of these great big signs, and on the back she had put, "Thank you, Parkdale," in great big black letters. And she was not on the sidewalk, she was on the street, shouting, "Thank you, Parkdale!" And I thought, this gal's a natural. And she is a natural. And I know that she will be a natural in working with our communities here in Parkdale High Park. She'll be a natural in showing leadership and competence on all of the issues. She'll be a natural at Queen's Park, and she will make her mark not only for our city, but for people right across Ontario. So I'm thrilled and so happy that Priscilla Carpenter will be our candidate for the NDP here in Parkdale.